and fun.
Read through yourself.
All right, so if you know how to play tic-tac-toe, them never want to show never, cause never Latif. You can follow this one easy, but instead of pen and paper, this one is fit-tac-toe. I don't know how I'm reaching it. And we've roped in Kevon and Peter Gay. Kevon and Peter Gay. There with Neville. And to the big side, Tanya. And so, and Tanya.
But that's it. We're going to look at the video first. Look at the video first so we know what we do. Look at them people just make clear.
Two teams working together to try to connect their beanbags in this case in a singular line. When your first three beanbags or objects have been placed, you are then able to move your particular team's beanbags into a more favorable spot for your team to connect.
In Scarf Toss Challenge,
Them start with it. They have them.
Yeah.
All right.
We're
Cool.
going to. We're going first.
Now
We're
we're
come back,
gonna
no man, come back now. So I'm never do this. So wait.
We're the ones simultaneously?
Yeah, so it's 1-1.
Okay.
So me and you first.
No.
Me and you first. Well, and I will go on the outside like how you are on the outside. So
All right, cool.
Right?
Yeah.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Well. Your time.
Go, Tanya.
Go.
Yeah.
Come back quick now.
Come on, Tanya.
Your time. Yeah, no, we're winning.
Tanya, will you stand up and wait, man? I know, so easy. Are you? Will you stand up and wait, man?
Hold on,
Hold on. Wait. No. Wait. Hold on. No, hold on, no. You have to touch her for her to go.
Yeah.
No, she was waiting on you to
Come
touch
again,
her.
dear. Ready again?
Yeah.
Yeah, you are ahead of me.
No.
You are a crook.
No. Ready?
Go.
Go.
Come back quick. Touch that. Go
Tanya.
quick.
Yes, Tanya. Yes, Tanya.
All right, come back. Put it there.
Are we win?
Oh, if we win.
Look,
Well, we got there first.
No.
And Tanya push her out of the thing.
You have to remember to touch her.
Them never touch. Them never
Them
touch.
touch. Them take long
They
more.
did not touch. Go.
Go, Tanya. Yes, we win again.
This here should I go? What's up? What?
But Jesus, Lord. Hey, you guys start. Go, touch her.
Come back. You run before you get touched.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes. No. I want to see
Hey,
the
are
replay.
we kidding, man? I did not touch
I
never.
want to see the replay.
I did not touch never.
She lick me down all kind of thing going on.
I did not. Come on, victory lap. Are we still a win? Oh, no, Landia, you said best of three. Then you said double or nothing. How much time we are going? No, double or nothing
You
is one
did
time
not
and we
touch.
win.
You are such a crook.
Are we come make all the prize them? Come and all the prize. Are we still a win? Champion.
No, I don't want
Champion.
this. I don't want this. Oi.
Tic-tac-toe say we
Seriously, I don't want the athletes doing this
Champion.
because I don't want anyone to get hurt inside.
Champion.
Yeah.
Champion.
All right.
Champion. Everywhere we go. So Yini a champion, Tanya a champion, Daly a champion. Champion.
No, shut up anymore. All right, thanks to Kevon and Peter Gay. Really great to see
Tanya,
you
a
guys.
champion. So
Good
you
luck.
need a
So you need
champion.
fantastic.
Champion.
Fantastic. Well,
Champion.
we need physio now, because
Champion.
they knocked me out and me hurt.
Champion.
We soon come back, folks. Stay with us.
Champion. Champion.
They did my touch.